Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the reaction assignment. So you're going to have two reaction assignments to do throughout the semester, and you do them both in the same way. I'm going to show you how to do it. So in modules, you will find the reaction assignments in modules 2 with unit 2 and modules 3 with unit 3. So you are asked to review an item of professional peer-reviewed literature over a topic in psychology. The topic is up to you. Psychology is the systematic scientific study of behavior and mental processes. So essentially, there is not much in existence that is not affected by or does not affect human behavior and mental processes. So it can be really whatever you choose. Maybe you're reading through the textbook or looking at the material or in lecture, and you come across something that interests you, and you think, oh, I want to learn a little bit more about that. Or maybe it's something that you're dealing with in your own life. Um, Maybe some sort of disorder or issue. It doesn't even have to be a psychological disorder. It can be really anything. Like I have Crohn's disease, so I might want to do a little bit of research over Crohn's disease. So basically, what this is you going in and picking or taking picking a piece of literature and reading about the issue, and then you are going to summarize the article in one paragraph, and you are going to react to the article or to the topic in the second paragraph. You also must construct a reference in APA format for the article that you read. Um, for the reaction assignment, you need to create this in Microsoft Word. I cannot open anything that you might share in Google Docs or because we as a college converted to Microsoft. So you should have already received information on how to download the Microsoft app with your Cisco College student email address. So you must create it in Microsoft Word. You're going to type one page, which is going to be two paragraphs, double spaced in Times New Roman or Courier New 12-point font. So the first paragraph, like I said, will be the summary, and the second paragraph will be a reaction to the article. Try not to exceed one page. And you can look at the grading rubric. And this is a quick example of how to do APA format. The only part of the paper that needs to be in APA format is the reference, other than you will be utilizing Times New Roman or Courier New 12-point font, and it will be double spaced. You do not need a cover page. You do not need a heading because you're turning it in through Canvas. So when I grade it, you will get the grade for the paper that you submitted. Okay, let me show you. You can watch this video from the library on how to find a journal article, and then you can look at the APA reference guide and the formatting guides from the Cisco College Writing Center. I'm going to show you how to find the journal article, and then I'm also going to show you how to do APA format. So in the left navigation bar, click on Resources, and then scroll down and click on Library. You're going to go to databases. Make sure that whichever database that you are using, that you take note of the username and password because you will need that. The username is not your email address. It is listed, the usernames and passwords are listed with the database that you're using. So I like to use EBSCO. The username and passwords are also case sensitive. Let's go ahead and click advanced search and say that you want to look at, I don't know, choose a topic. Uh, Maybe fentanyl use in the United States. Always click full text and peer reviewed, and also choose articles that are from the past 5 years because we're looking at current literature in psychology, and then search. So as you can see, there's a lot of results. Sometimes if you choose a wide topic, you may get thousands of articles. So what I would do if I were you is just kind of look over some of the titles and choose one that interests you. Then you need to find the full article. And there's a couple of ways that you can do that. You can click on access options and it will show you, it can take you to the different options to find the full article. A lot of times though, if you click on the DOI, that's going to take you straight to the article. Okay, that one I'm not finding. So we'll just look for a different article. I'm just randomly choosing articles. I'm not really even reading the title. I didn't copy. Okay, so here's the full article. So as you can see, you sometimes have to um, go through a little bit to find the actual full article. So you're going to read the article and then you're going to type your summary and your reaction to the article. Let me pull something up and show you what a reaction assignment looks like. So here is a reaction assignment. You can see the first paragraph is a brief summary of the article, and the second paragraph is you're going to be using first person. So this is only a semi-formal writing assignment because I want you to tell me why you chose the article or the topic that you chose. You can tell me if you agree with the research or you don't agree with the research, what other questions you might have about the topic. You can disclose as much or as little information as you wish. I am the only one that is reading this. And then you're going to create your reference. So this student actually used two different articles for the reference that, or for their reaction assignment. You're only required to use one. So let me pull up Microsoft Word. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a reference for the article in Microsoft Word using the article that I just pulled up. I'm going to be going back and forth, but you shouldn't see all of the back and forth that I'm doing. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to change the font to either Times New Roman or Courier New, 12 point, and then you want to double space your paper. Type your two paragraphs and then type your reference. But we're just going to type the reference here. You start with the author's names. You must list all the author's names. So you list the author's names, last names first, followed by their first and middle initials. Sometimes they only have first initials listed. That's fine. Followed by the year of publication in the parentheses. All subsequent lines of the reference are indented. Next is going to be the title. Only capitalize the first word and proper nouns of the title. And a period, then you're going to list the source. So the source is the name of the journal that you are using. and it needs to be listed in italics, comma, then you're going to list the volume, issue, and page number, volume, issue, and page numbers. Turn off italics. There are no page numbers. And then the DOI. It's a lot of numbers, so I like to copy and paste that, but then remember to change the font to the Times New Roman or Courier New 12 point, whichever you're using. And that's how you do an APA reference. Okay, so now I want to show you how to save this in PDF format. Go to Save As, wherever you want to save it on your computer. Maybe I'll make a new folder. And save it as whatever you want to name your file, and then choose PDF and save. I'll show you that it's saved as a PDF. So there it is. Make sure you close it. Oop, okay. And now I'll show you how to turn it in. So you've clicked on reaction assignment 1 and watched the videos, and now you're ready to submit it. I think that I have to go to student view. Oh, I might not be able to submit it out. Let me go to somewhere else. Let me go to, oh, I have to go to a class that's already published. Go to modules. Click on reaction assignment. Start assignment. Upload file. Choose file. Double click on it. And then click this assignment submission is my own original work. Remember that whenever you submit the assignment, it is going to go through our plagiarism checker, and you will get a score on if it has on how much of it is copied. So if that score is too high, I'm going to go in and I'm going to check to see what words are exactly the same, and I will address that with you if that's the case. If you do the work yourself, chances are you're not going to get, it is not going to, you're not going to get a high plagiarism score. So you can do, whenever you are doing you have two reaction assignments to do, like I said. You can either do um, the same topic. You can use the same topic if you would like, or you can choose a different topic. So the first reaction assignment will be due with the unit two assignments. The the second reaction assignment is with unit three. So you may use the same topic, just use a different article. And if you have questions or concerns, don't hesitate to email me and I will answer you as quickly as possible.